I want to interview you people one by one. Number one.
Sir. Igwe.
What is your name?
Odey Macaulay Oga.
Address.
30 Sobe Avenue, GRA, Keja, Lagos.
Your phone number.
08032533799.
Which tribe are you?
Yala, Cross River State.
Okay. Which prison you come out from today?
Medium Kirikiri prison here in Lagos.
Okay. Your age?
32 years.
32 years old.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What happened today?
It was just a miracle. Lying down on the bed in my cell there, wondering, being frustrated, where will help come from? All of a sudden, I heard my name, that they wanted to see me at the headquarters there. And I was just being released. Thanks to you, sir. His Royal Majesty, Eze Bubu, one worldwide. May God bless you, sir.
This morning, do you know that I will release you from prison custody today?
I have no idea. That's the least idea I have today, sir.
Do you know me before?
No, sir.
If you know that thing that makes you to enter prison, you desist from it.
Yes, sir.
So that you will not commit another crime and go back to the prison.
Yes, sir.
My God will bless you in this life.
Amen, sir.
And the sky shall be your sacrifice.
Amen, sir. Igwe!